We are going to use this simulation in combination with your cell phone, the stopwatch in your cell phone. So you need to open the cell phone, and you are going to push the crate until certain velocity, and make sure that in this simulation you are on the acceleration, the far one over here on the right. And you are going, it doesn't matter what force you push it, you are going to let go the crate at different speeds, and you are going to time how long does it take to come to stop. So in this lab you are measuring three things: the initial velocity, that is going to be the maximum velocity over here just before you let it go. The final velocity of the crate is 0 because it's going to stop because of friction. You are going to time with your cell phone how long does it take to stop, and you are going to measure the friction. Once you start pushing it, you are going to see a red vector to the left. That is the friction force. So the last velocity here at the maximum is 40 meters per second. And if you reach the 40 meters per second, the simulation is going to let it go, even if you are pushing. So let's push. It doesn't matter. You can see this. The speed is increasing and the friction force is 188, and then you start and you start timing, and you stop when the velocity is 0. So that is the time it took the crate to stop. Let's do another one. Now we let it go when the speed is over here at 20 meters per second. So reset the cell phone and push, and when it's at 20, let go, start, and then when it's 0, stop. And as you see, it's about half the time. So that's how you get the measurements. And now let me pause the video and put that into the document to show you how you need to record this. So this is the cheat file that you're going to put the data. So you can see the first velocity was 20 meters per second, and it took about 10.52 seconds to come to stop, and the friction was negative 188 newtons if you set the simulation to the maximum value of the friction. The blue columns are the measurements, the red columns are the calculations. And then at 20 meters per second we got about 4.50. That's a bad measurement because I was recording the video and getting the measurement. As you can see, the friction depends on the physics of the surfaces, know how hard you are pushing the object. For that reason, the friction remains constant at 188 newtons if you put it to the far right. And you complete these measurements. In the following video, I will show you how to do the calculations and to graph this quantity over here and this quantity over here, changing kinetic energy and work.